First, I want to start with the illiquid markets. Venture capitalists like yourself have invested nearly $30 billion globally into crypto startups this year. That's quadruple the amount from last year. What do you think the big driver is, and will that continue into the new year?
I think many investors are just coming around to the fact that crypto truly represents a paradigm shift akin to the internet and Web 1.0 and 2.0. So the increased capital attention is just respective of the fact that people realize it matters and that outsized returns are going to continue being produced by the industry.
Some critics, though, would argue that what's going on in the crypto ecosystem is reminiscent of the late 90s, where you saw capital flows in both public and private markets, a lot of volatility, a lot of talent poaching. There have been a lot of articles about the talent wars between big tech and crypto companies alike. Do you get that sense? Do things feel frothy right now?
Look, anytime that there is a massive accrual of value, there's always going to be some froth. Not all crypto assets are made equal, and as a firm, we try to focus on the ones that have more long-term value. One of the things people forget about the first .com era is that these narratives continue to compound over the next 20 years and still compound today, and the top crypto companies and top crypto protocols will likely have the same.
So, Jared, you just said not all crypto assets are created equal. Which one are you most bullish on then as we head into a new year?
Yeah, so look, we're hesitant to say any one specific crypto asset, although from a narrative perspective, we're still incredibly bullish all things decentralized finance. We believe that the future of financial institutions are front ends that operate on top of a global decentralized back end built on blockchains that is decentralized finance. We're incredibly long all infrastructure to help make the quote unquote metaverse happen. If a company is using metaverse in its marketing materials, that's something of a red flag. But a lot of infrastructure is going to need to be built in order to onboard the hundreds of millions of users to all of these systems that we expect will come. We're incredibly excited about the maturation of on-chain derivatives products and structured products across multiple different L1 ecosystems. And lastly, we're very excited about all of the development happening across multiple different layer one smart contract solutions besides Ethereum. We're talking the Terra Lunas of the world, the Avalanches, the Solanas, and algorithmic stable coins are going to be another trend to watch going into 2022.
Jared, how do you judge volatility? Sorry, Mike.
With volatility, if you were trying to mark-to-market private companies and startups on a day-to-day basis, if you speak to any founders, they'll say some days it feels euphoric and some days they think the sky's going to fall. And many times that is similarly reflected in the price of earlier stage crypto projects. My advice to all investors is just to zoom out. Things get a lot easier when you have longer time horizons.